Over 5,000 Oklahoma men's clinic alpha males already enjoy our incredible vitality, testosterone, and HGH therapies safely, affordably, and
Weather Service in Norman has issued a warning for Northeastern Custer County in western Oklahoma, Northwestern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, Eastern Dewey County in northwestern Oklahoma until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Oakwood, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watauga, Kenton, Oakwood, Canton Lake, Eagle City, Fay, and Hugmack. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.